mga kapatid! Kami ay nag-check out na. Ayan na si Mark. Parating na siya. Pauwi na kami. Yung mga bata, lungkot-lungkot. Tayo pa yung namuwi.
On our way to Mass.
Yeah, actually.
Then we're gonna go back to the hotel because we still have our activity pass, and it's still good for 1 or 2 days. So even if we're not,
Yeah, we're coming back, baby girl. We're just going to Mass.
we can still use the activity pass.
Yep. So, ayun nga. Tulad ng sinabi ni Catherine, nag-check out na kami. Pero may activity pass pa kami. Pwede pa siya. So, after ng Mass, balik kami. Tapos, maglalaro ulit yung mga bata. Tapos, uwi na kami. Okay? Sige guys. See you later. Bye. Bye-bye, Ogilvy. We're gonna miss you.
We'll see you in an hour.
Oh yeah. Babalik nga pala.
And then we're gonna leave breakfast.
Yep. And that's when we're gonna miss it, huh?
Mom, did you bring your smelly bottle?
Yes, baby, love,
Your
love.
bag?
Yes.
What smelly
Do you
bottle?
need it now? No, just relax. My love, relax.
Now I'm making sure.
Okay. Lean back and just enjoy the view. Okay,
For
my
those
love?
tuning in, I want to find out what a smelly bottle is. Explain.
There's people
It's the Chinese gamot in check, you know.
Gahilo?
Gamot in check, oo. Na nakasave kay Catherine kahapon. Buti na dala ko. Yes, okay baby love. Look. Katapos lang po namin sa Mass. Ang ganda oh. Dito kami sa St. Michael sa Wheeling. So babalik kami sa Ogilvy or baka mag-mall muna pala. Tapos mag-lunch kami doon.
I got a lollipop.
Yes.
Can we eat them?
May nagbigay sa kanya ng lollipop.
Can we eat it?
Yes, my love.
Sabi ni Koy, this is a great church daw kasi may lollipop na may fine fair. Hey, where's my shades?
Okay, let's go. So, Ate Bern.
It shows the prayers.
No, you can have it.
And it shows the prayers on the shade.
Wanna wear
Yeah, gawin nyo kaya yon.
yung fine fair?
No, yung TV sa bawat
Oo
ano.
nga eh. Ganda nga.
Ganda, no?
I will be
Lahat talaga nakakapag-participate.
Hail, guardian of the Redeemer, spouse to the Blessed Virgin Mary. To you God entrusted His only Son, and you, Mary, placed your trust. As you, Christ, became Mary.
Yan, binigay kay Mark. Tsaka libreng pen kasi Father's Day daw.
Rise us in the path of life.
So, binibigay na sa mga, mga fathers.
Evil. Amen.
Okay, let's go. Ito yung church. Ang ganda. Ganda yung church. Okay, let's go. Mall na. So, papunta na kami ng mall ngayon. 14 minutes away siya dito sa church. So, napalayo kami. Napalayo na tayo sa Ogilvy, no? No. So, mga 30 minutes away na siya sa Ogilvy. So, parang umuwi na rin tayo nun, ah. Ang layo na. Okay, malapit na kami sa mall.
This feels like-
Malapit na ba tayo?
This is a very, very anong vibe.
Jacksonville. Ganda. Pumasok kami sa... Hindi naman mall.
Kailan tayo pumunta pag
Your destination is on the
Fidget
left.
natin naman.
Baka may labasan doon, Mark. Kaya ka pinabasan.
Tayo maganda ng Fidget muna. Okay, if you guys are
Naligaw po.
bored,
Naligaw.
look, there's a Target. And if you guys are bored, we can go Pidgeot hunting there, okay? Look at that Target on your right.
Okay.
Where's Liberty?
Okay, sa wakas. Nahanap din. There we go. Ayan ang Schmolski.
There's Menards. It's not just Menards, it's Sprint
Where's
Menards.
Target?
Grabe, this feels like the West Coast for some reason.
A few minutes later.
I'm cursing.
Okay, change of plans. Dahil palpackers yung mall na sinabi sa kanya ng friend niya, nauwi kami sa Target. Target na lang po kami. Bibilihan ng mga fidgets. Fidget toys yung mga bata. So, dito na kami magpa-park.
I have to sit on one of those dolls. I have to. Solid concrete. Everyone walking out of. I saw a TikTok like everybody walking out of Target. They see the ball. They sit on it.
Okay, we're here. Don't go cray inside Tarjay.
Tarjayga.
Okay.
Is it Tarjay or is it Tarjay? Betting naman sa kabela, so may food court.
We're here for a bathing suits. Ganda. Oh my.
Got a new hat for you.
Oh, thank you, baby love. It's beautiful. Tahimik ngayon. Walang tao masyado. Clearance. 30 to 70% off. Hinahanap namin yung toy section. Olivia, Bernadette, you're too far na. Come here. Ang shortcut daw dito. Yoo, ayan na, mababaliw na sila. Mababaliw na sila.
Meow, meow, meow,
Ang cute.
meow, 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 meow.
Mga pang-baby naman yan, Bernie. Let's go.
Weather alert! It's raining shapes!
Let's go, my love.
Mom, it's this color and living video is her favorite.
That's
Go.
right. That's right. Oh, look. That is over there. Come on. Careful. Mamumulubi ka dito.
Let me come. Let me come with me.
Livy, she wants to show you something, my love.
Let me come with me. Bring these down. Let me come with me. It will be your favorite. Come on in the music video. Yes, me too. From the Last Dragon. See? I told you this would be a perfect idea. Love you. Jonah! Look. I know. Jonah!
4 hours of music and hundreds of songs on this kid-friendly digital music player. Stream music from your
We already
smartphone.
have that at home. Let me show you something.
Come here, Olivia.
Hi.
Hi.
Ring on the doorbell. I gotta open the door.
Yeah.
Come in here. There's so many space.
Oh, yeah.
Come
Okay.
in here with me.
Okay, let's go.
Come in here with me.
Oh, a dimple. Oh, you already have that, right? Okay.
Come here.
Inside? No, my love. I'm too big.
So big. Oh, you back.
Okay, let's go. Time to go before I lose my mind.
Mom, we found a dimple.
Yay. You happy? Okay. Bernadette, watch your head. No, my love, we can't. Ito, $400 lang naman yan. Check out time. Nakakabuang. No, my love, we're gonna eat lunch. Yeah, you've been eating sweet.
Then can we get the candy from the candy machine in the arcade?
Where? Arcade? Oh, no.
Okay, then can
We wasted so much money na.
Okay, then can we get that one? Because he said we could get candy for cheap at other stores, but not the arcade.
That's caramel. Kung kaya kami nag-check out, tsaka naman gumanda yung weather. Ay nako, okay. Bernadette, no screaming please. Wow, yan. Okay, anak pa more. Anak pa more. Okay. Nakakabali.
Olivia, give it to me. Hello po mga ka-Berks. Ano yung feeling na parang kumuha ka ng malaking bato? Pinupok mo sa iyong ulo? Gusto nyo mangyari, magdala ka na 3 batang mahilig sa toys. At pumunta ka sa loob ng Target, sa toy section. It's the same thing.
Nakakaloka.
You're just standing inside that circle.
Yeah.
Biglang nagyaya sa Target. Sabi ko, talaga naghanap ko talaga ng sakit ng ulo as in.
Well, kasi naman sa mall na napakalaki na mag-hunting-hunting pa rin.
Wow, wala nga mall eh. Hindi ko, walang mall. Sinabi siya ng friend niya, kami ang punta doon, oh may magandang mall dyan. Baka mali naman tong mall na pinuntahan natin.
Sabi mo siya yung Highlands, so akala ko naman like totoong enclosed mall. Yung pala strip, para siyang strip mall. Na complex siya eh, complex na rin sa mga. So, anyway, yun lang po mga ka-Berks yung gusto nyo parusahan yung sarili. Ganun po ang yung gagawin.
Okay, punta kami ng Cabela's. Doon ba kakain? Ano makakain doon? Food court ba yun?
Yes, nakita mo parang isang syudad na siya.
But I think ang Cabela's is nandoon.
What?
Ay, hindi sa Cabela's.
Eh, ba't nakalagay dito?
Ewan ko, sundan mo yan. I don't know, sumasakit ng ulo ko. So, ayan ang Cabela's. Ang laki na itong Cabela's na to ha. Si Bernie naman ako ulit. Gusto nang kainin yung gummy bear niya. Nabubuang na kami. Pero kakain nga kami dito. Ha? Mark, dito kami sa parking. Wala pang parking doon? Okay, I guess wala. So yan, yung malaki niya. Dito ang parking, ang layo.
Kumang tinatawag nilang Cabelga. Hey girls, so Cabela is a very big place, right? So how many strangers are in there?
1,000.
Yeah, so stranger danger, remember? Okay, and if you go someplace, should Mama and Dada be able to see you or no?
Pasaway tayo si Bernie. Okay, pasok na kami.
Sabi ni Jonah mag-aamok daw siya kapag walang pagkain.
Mag-aamok talaga kapag walang pagkain. Okay, gutom na si Livy eh. Let's go! Ang laki na itong Cabela's. First time ko makapasok sa ganitong kalaki. Yung nasa Rino kami, maliit lang. Daming tao. Family pumupunta. Ano kayo meron dito?
You can actually go on the canal.
I know, they're fishing. They're fishing. Let's go. Ano meron dito?
Actually, we go on the bounce house. We go on the bounce house after.
Oh, no. Okay, thank you. Go, bye-bye.
We don't have a deli anymore. We actually closed the COVID last year. We're not going to deal with
Look at that. It's beautiful.
candies
Hmm? Yeah. So mukhang palpak, wala palang kainan dito.
They did, but they had to close it because of COVID. Anyway,
Okay, mag-start na ako mag-amok.
I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick.
Okay. Who wants to use the restroom? They don't have food here.
Can we go to Olive
Come here. Olivia.
Stop.
Nandito kami sa car, naghihintay ng turn namin tawagin kasi medyo busy sa Olive Garden. Eto, nabubuang na itong mga bata, nag-aaway-aaway na dito at nabubuang na rin ako. Konti na lang gaganyan natin. Anyways, anong number na ba tayo, Mark?
Numero ano?
Numero ano? Kanina number 13, di ba?
7.
Kasi number 7, number 4 na. So, konting intay na.
Gusto na Gusto na mag-amok ni Jonah kanina.
Who's mean na naman? Who's mean?
Daddy.
Why is
am I
that
mean?
me?
Because Daddy's not letting us have our snacks.
No, because my love, if
Unless you have the
eat
gummy
it-
bears.
Yeah, you're gonna lose your appetite.
Anyway, sa sabi ng Kabelas, wala daw silang kainan. Pero may kainan sila dati, pero sinat daw nila dahil sa COVID. So,
No, we don't have any.
technically,
Yeah,
meron
palusot.
pa rin sila.
No!
Huy!
Ano sigawan yan dyan? Ha?
What's that going
I'm
on?
trying to get my chocolate.
Okay, Olivia, just say it's okay, Bernie. I don't need my chocolate right now.
Yeah, you can have it after we eat, okay?
Can we alternate?
Okay, so,
Anak pa more!
paano kayo mga 10 ang anak?
Kanina sa church, tuwan-tuwa yung mga, siguro ngayon na sila nakakita ng mga Pilipino doon. Kasi nga syempre hindi naman kami taga dito, diba? Nakidayo lang kami, nagsimba doon. So first,
what are you doing?
kami lang yung Filipino family doon sa church. So parang, tuwan-tuwa sila, ang cute daw ng mga bata, beautiful family
Oh,
daw,
baby.
ganyan. Ay, siguro ngayon na sila nakakita ng Pilipino.
Kung alam nang nila.
Kung alam lang nila kung gaano karayot. Riot. Okay, my love, they're gonna call our number, okay?
Oh, why don't we tell everybody what we got from Target?
Are you that?
Nabubuang na lahat! Okay, babush na!
Okay, I guess keep acting up and we're just gonna head straight home. Maski super mag-ornamentado ng mga tao, nakakuha naman kami ng upuan kaagad and na-serve naman kami kaagad, nakuha yung order. Ito po ang kakainin namin ngayon, bread and soup. Tapos na. Nakuha naman kami. Libre yung tinapay. Ano, kamusta?
It's a bread.
Si Jonah na mas na.
Ito na ako.
Wala na yun. Okay. Yan po, nahimasmasan na.
And my noodle.
It's right here, my
It's coming, baby.
You did.